Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to buy crypto on Binance. So if you also want to buy crypto on Binance, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in binance.com. Press enter. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of Binance. You can see several options over here. Make sure you're logged into your account. After you're logged into your account, you'll be led to this kind of interface. This is the home page for Binance. In order to buy the crypto, all you have to do is click on the buy crypto option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the buying interface. Over here, you can see the hot cryptos. You can see a box over here. First of all, select your local currency. All you have to do is click on this option that you can see right over here. Now select the currency of your choice. After that, you'll also have to select the crypto that you want to buy. Simply click on this option that you can see right over here. Now from here, you'll be able to select the crypto of your choice. You can see several cryptos over here. Click on the crypto that you want to buy. Now enter the amount that you want to spend. Simply click on this box. Now enter the amount. Now here you'll be able to see the amount that you'll receive. Scroll down. And over here, you'll be able to see the option for select payment method. All you have to do is click on it. After that, you'll have to select the payment method of your choice. But if your identity is not verified, you'll not be able to proceed to other step. After you select the payment method, all you have to do is complete the payment and then you'll be able to buy the crypto. So that is how you buy crypto on Binance. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.